Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So on this quick video, I'm going to be showing you what I feel is the best feature that YouTube has introduced in a while, and I think it'll benefit practically everybody who does YouTube or actually use their browser. And that feature is dark theme. So all you have to do is go here to your account, go here to your appearance, and then choose dark theme. And there you go. And so if you're doing anything else on your browser, it should now be in dark theme. And thankfully, Google has made this dark theme available on their browser as well, and not just here on YouTube. So this is something that I definitely have been waiting for a while. And even though this is a simple change, this is a big improvement if you're the type of person who happens to be on the computer a lot, watching YouTube videos, or just using your computer in general. And so I'm very thankful that YouTube has provided this dark theme feature on YouTube and their browser as well. So that is it on this very quick video on what I feel is the best feature that YouTube has provided in a while. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other features that you like that YouTube has put out, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.